Hey there, I'm Cody the Polyglot. Here we will be turning ideas into code. Ever wondered what makes your apps, games, or websites work? You're in the right place to uncover how everything comes alive. Programming teaches computers to think logically, creatively, and with clarity. It means giving computers steps to follow so they can do useful tasks, like solving problems, drawing images, or sending messages with code. Think of it like writing a recipe, but for a computer to follow. Every app, robot, and game runs on code written by people just like you. Whether it's written in Python, JavaScript, C# or Java, the computer just follows your logic line by line. Learning to code isn't just about typing words on a screen. You can build apps, automate tasks, or design games, all from scratch. Coding builds problem-solving skills, sparks creativity, and brings ideas alive. In this series, we'll explore the world of programming and prove that anyone can learn to code. Hit subscribe and let's explore programming together, one concept at a time.